In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your transaction history on Robinhood. Whether you're new to investing or just want to double check the details of your previous trades, deposits, or withdrawals, it's important to know exactly how to find your transaction records. Today, I'll walk you through the steps using both the Robinhood app and website, making sure you feel comfortable and confident checking your financial activity whenever you need. Let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account. You can do this either on your mobile device using the Robinhood app or directly from your computer on the Robinhood website. Enter your credentials as you normally would, making sure you're signing into the correct account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access your transaction history. Now, take a look at the navigation menu. If you're using the Robinhood app, you'll want to tap on the account icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's usually represented by a little person or silhouette. On the website, the account icon is located at the top right corner. Give it a click and a menu will drop down for you. Once you've opened your account menu, look for the section labeled History. In the app, simply tap on it, while on the website, a similar option should be visible. Selecting History will bring you to a new page where you can see a comprehensive list of everything that has taken place in your Robinhood account. Here, you'll find a detailed record of all your transactions. This includes any trades you've made, like buying or selling stocks, as well as deposits you've added to your account, withdrawals you've made, and even dividends you've received from your investments. Each transaction will usually list the date, the type of activity, and the corresponding amount. This clearer view can really help if you want to track your investing habits, double-check the status of a deposit, or confirm that a dividend has been paid. As a tip, you can scroll through your transaction history to look for specific activities or review your past few months of activity. While Robinhood keeps a detailed history, if you ever need to export this information or see your activity for tax purposes, you can also look into their account statements and tax documents, which are found in the same account section. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have no trouble keeping track of your activity on Robinhood. Thanks for watching and happy investing.